Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review at the Hux World. And the weekend is here. I got a couple of awesome watch faces that are worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. And on top of it, it is free. So make sure you go download ASAP now before free becomes paid. Now, I don't know what you got going on for the weekend, but I think these two watch faces just might tie into your weekend. And starting off with number one, this one is called Casual AIO Red. Now, this comes in other colors like white, green, yellow, but those are going to be paid versions. This one here is free for the taking, so if you're into red, you're all good. Now in AOD mode, you're going to get a nice digital time. It's going to look cool on your wrist. Once the watch face is on, here's where the beauty starts to shine. I like what the developer did and brought to the table with this watch face. Got to give them 3 thumbs up for this one because this one definitely stands out as a slightly premium watch face, right? I like it. Now, one thing I like about the watch face is the analog theme that you got going on, but not only the theme, this is also an analog watch face as well. If you look into the background, it's blended in and the hands are definitely premium looking. You got digital time that's going across the top. Now, up at the top, I love that he put all your step status info at the top, like steps, heart rate, your battery percentages up at the top as well. You're going to get calories burned and miles walked or ran as well. And you get an AM stamp right in the middle. The date right up under that. And you also get some shortcuts, like you can make a phone call. You can go into that. Check out your contacts, your weather. Not bad at all. Love to go into my weather to see what's happening throughout the week. And of course, for those of you all who are on the run, listen, you got your music. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this one is a download or leave it right where it's at. Let's go on and check out watch face number two. Now listen people, I had to bring you something a little bit different, something a little bit more fun. You got to change it up in your lineup sometimes. Now this one is nice. It's called Fireworks Light. Now in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice analog look as well as what you're going to get when the watch face is on. I like the tip of the analog hands as well. To the side on your right, you will get your day of the week. You will get your date and also the month along with the battery percentage right up under it. So this is definitely a nice look. It could be considered a more dress up watch face, but definitely you could dress down with anything with this one. The background is black, which should help with your battery life. Not bad. Now, what do you think about the animation? I thought the animation was definitely unique. The name kind of fits what this watch face is all about so far as the theme is concerned, but I thought it was decent. But again, you tell me, is this one a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have the greatest weekend ever. And hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.